Hi everyone, I'm Haley. I use she, her pronouns, and I'm a clinician here at FOLX. It's Cervical Cancer Awareness Month, so let's talk about why cervical cancer screening is so important, especially for trans men. Anyone with a cervix can still get cervical cancer, and cervical cancer screenings are the best way to catch it early. So that's why it's important, even if you're on testosterone or had top surgery, to still keep this on your radar. So if you still have your cervix, so this means it has not been removed by surgery, then you need a cancer screening. This is for everyone who's over the age of 25, and how frequently you have your screenings done will depend on the type of test and your age. So either if you have a pap test, it's every 3 years, and if you have a pap test which includes an HPV screening, then it's every 5 years. It's pretty quick and can save your life. Here are a few things that you can do to make it a little bit easier. Number one, we can help you find an affirming provider who's experienced in doing pap smears on patients with LGBTQ identity. This can help be sure that you're getting someone who knows what they're doing and is respectful and affirming to you. Two is that you can tell your clinician or your provider during the process what you need and take your time, ask questions. Number three is you can bring a support person. So if you feel more comfortable with a family member, friend, partner to come with you, just let your provider know that you're okay with that. A pap test only takes a few minutes. Your provider will use a special tool to be able to gain access to see the cervix, and then use a little brush to collect cells from the cervix. If you're uncomfortable, you can always tell your provider to pause or stop. Remember, this is your body and your comfort. If you want, you can also make an appointment with your FOLX provider. We can talk to you about what to expect during the pap smear. We can go over some breathing techniques to help you through it. We can even provide medications to help you relax if you're really struggling. If you really cannot do your pap test, so it's just not in the cards for you, you've tried, it's just too uncomfortable, too dysphoric for you, there are some ways to do HPV testing at home with an at-home kit and a swab that you can do yourself. Now, these aren't as proven to be as studied as effective for cervical cancer screening, but it's better than nothing. This process isn't always easy, whether it's dysphoria or anxiety or just trouble finding a provider you feel comfortable with. But at FOLX, you're not alone, so you can reach out to us with our resources and support, and we can help you find a provider, walk you through it, and then you can always feel more comfortable that you're getting your cervical cancer screening.